Hi students, in today's session we are going to see the types of industry. We have three main categories. Okay, first one primary industry, secondary industry, and finally tertiary industry. What is primary industry? These industries extract or get the raw materials directly from the sea or earth, or we can say with the help of nature. Okay, so for example we can say agriculture, farming, then fishing, forestry, everything. So these raw materials are, we are extracting directly from the earth or nature. Okay, so under this we have two types. One is extractive industry and genetic industry. So under extractive industry, we have the raw materials mostly produced from natural environment. So for example, farming, fishing operations. On the other hand, genetic industry. So what is that? These industries will mainly engage in breeding of plants and animals for their use in further reproduction, we can say. So that is genetic industry. Okay, so for example, we can say nurseries, poultry, dairy. So all these are examples of genetic industry. Okay, so next we will move on to the secondary industry. What it is? Secondary industries. See, these industries will be concerned with using the materials that has been already extracted from the primary stage. So already the material, the raw material would have been extracted at the primary stage. So these industries produce such materials, so which can be of final consumption. Okay, so for example, we can say, iron ore is a primary industry. Correct. But manufacturing of steel. So from the iron ore, you have to manufacture the steel. That is a secondary industry. So iron ore you will get directly from the earth. Correct. So that we call it as primary industry. So when that iron ore is converted or manufactured into steel, that type of industry we call it as secondary industry. Clear? So under secondary we have four main types. First one, we have analytical industry, then synthetic industry. Okay, next we have processing industry, and finally assembly industry. So all this will be concerned with the manufacturing of finished products. Okay, so that is secondary industry. Finally we have tertiary industry. So what it is? See, these type of industry will not manufacture or produce anything. Okay, so these type of industries will provide you the service. Okay, so it will provide you all type of service and then sell them at a profit. So for example, we can say banking, insurance, warehouse, advertisement. So all this type of industries we call it as tertiary industry. So here, so nothing, no raw materials will be involved, no manufacturing companies, no assembling, no producing, nothing. They are providing you only a service and then sell them at to a profit. Yes, so banking, so what is the operations of banking? We can deposit the money, you can earn interest, you can get loans, all type of facilities are provided by the bank. You are also benefited and the bank is also benefited. This is a service type of industry. Similar way, insurance and also advertisement. Okay, so we saw three main categories of industry: primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, so here we have some examples. Primary, the industries that take raw materials from the environment. So that is from the earth or nature. For example, we have farming, forestry, fishing and mining. Yes. Next, secondary industries. So involve the manufacture of raw materials into a finished products, we can say. Okay, so primary stage, already the materials would have been extracted. So those materials will be converted into a final product. Okay, so for example, we have car factory or iron steel industry. Okay, next, territory industry. So they neither produce a raw material nor make a product. So they will not produce any type of materials here. Instead, what they are doing, they are providing service to the people or industry and they earn profit out of it. So this includes any type of professions, that is doctors, dentists, banks, insurance, advertisement, anything, all type of service industries. Next we have quaternary industry. So what it is, these industries incorporate a high degree of research and technology. So mostly they will be concerned with their research process here. So creating new ideas, generating new technologies, we can say. Okay, so by implementing the people who are experts in it. Okay, so their decisions might influence the whole nation or international. Okay, so when you have a very innovative or new technology that can be implemented throughout the nation, then you are supporting your whole country. So those type of industries, we call it them as quaternary industry. So here the employment will be given, opportunity will be given only to the experts who are well qualified in that industry. Okay.